Today, we're diving into the wonders of aloe vera. This ancient plant is known for its healing properties. But do you know what it really does inside your body? Stick around to find out all the amazing benefits of aloe vera. Body fit. Stay strong, healthy, and beautiful. Welcome my channel. Aloe vera has been used for centuries in various cultures for its medicinal and cosmetic properties. Its thick, fleshy leaves contain a clear gel that is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. But what makes aloe vera so special? Let's explore its incredible health benefits. Aloe vera is perhaps most famous for its skin benefits. Its gel is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which help protect your skin from damage. It's widely used to soothe sunburns, heal wounds, and moisturize dry skin. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties can also reduce acne and other skin irritations. Aloe vera can do wonders for your digestive system. Drinking aloe vera juice can help soothe and cleanse the digestive tract, aiding in the treatment of conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and acid reflux. It promotes healthy digestion and can help alleviate constipation due to its natural laxative properties. Boost your immune system with aloe vera. The plant contains polysaccharides, which stimulate the production of white blood cells, helping your body fight off infections. Regular consumption of aloe vera can enhance your overall immune response and keep you feeling your best. Aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties extend beyond skin care. It can be used to reduce inflammation and pain in conditions such as arthritis and joint pain. Applying aloe vera gel to the affected areas can provide natural pain relief and improve mobility. Aloe vera supports heart health too. Studies suggest that consuming aloe vera can help lower cholesterol and regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Its antioxidant properties protect your heart by reducing oxidative stress. Detoxify your body with aloe vera. Its natural cleansing abilities help flush out toxins, promoting better nutrient absorption and overall health. Additionally, aloe vera can support weight loss efforts by boosting metabolism and aiding digestion. Incorporating aloe vera into your daily routine is easy. You can apply the gel directly to your skin for topical benefits, drink aloe vera juice for internal health, or take aloe vera supplements. Always make sure to choose high-quality, organic products for the best results. Aloe vera is truly a versatile plant with numerous health benefits. From improving your skin and digestion to boosting your immune system and supporting heart health, it's a natural powerhouse. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy and stay vibrant.